Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we will show you how to blur a part of video in CapCut. First of all, open CapCut application from your mobile device and click on new project. Choose a video from your mobile gallery. For example, we choose this video and click on add. Your video is added in CapCut. You will see different editing options in the bottom. You have to choose overlay and click on overlay again. Now select the same video once again. Click on effects and then video effects. Now click on basic and choose the blur from the end of first row and apply this effect to complete video and click on overlay video. Now scroll left and click on mask option. Here you can see different options. You can choose your desired one to show video. For example, I want to show my video in heart style, so I will choose heart option. Now all the video is blur except heart. You can adjust heart according to your requirement. You can increase or decrease its size and can move left, right, up and down wherever you want. After adjusting as per your requirements, you can save the video. It is a simple and easy process to blur a video using CapCut. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.